Well, this is Tim here from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Android phone not downloading apps and installing them. So if the Google Play Store is simply not working, the best thing to do is go to the top right and go to Settings and scroll on down to Apps. So let's go to Apps now. Tap this and then locate the Google Play Store under here. So there is something we need to do, and it should get it to work. So let's go to the Google Play Store. When you come to here now, go to the top right and go to the three little dots. And we want to uninstall the updates. Uninstall the updates. Replace this app with the factory version. All data will be removed. This affects all users on this device. So we can go to OK. So this is going to revert it and reset it back to the original App Store here. And then we can go back to the Google Play Store and open this up. So a lot of times just doing this, this will fix your issues with the Google Play Store specifically. So if you are having problems downloading your app, look at this. So you can see I have airplane mode on by accident. So I want to just swipe on down and then remove that. And make sure your mobile data is turned on here. So you can see mobile data is not turned on. So make sure your mobile data is turned on, airplane mode is turned off, and you have an internet connection. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you guys out.